Here is a few clips of my journey on the way. I'm pretty sure everybody know what this is, right? The breathtaking Mount Kinabalu. And this is my cat. I bring it with me as well. Moving forward to my main point of this video, which is a tourist attraction called the Desa Dairy Farm. Note to everyone, don't forget to make a ticket purchase via their online website prior to make a visit here. Upon arrival, first thing you can bless your eyes with is the beautiful scenery of this place, especially with all these cute flowers all over the place. Even though the sunflowers look a bit wilted, but it is still aesthetically pleasing regardless. They make a lot of things here to look like a cow. This place is also full of photographable area, very suitable for your shutterback out there. Here in Desa Dairy Farm, you can buy fresh processed milk, yogurt, cheese, foods, and also their most popular products, which is the frozen yogurt. As you can see, a lot of people are queuing, including me, just to buy their products, which means that their products is great because we queue for almost like an hour for each person just to get their frozen yogurt. The most exciting part of coming here is that we can feed the calf. This is a video of me feeding grass to the calf, but with this kid interrupting our moment. Inside of the grass, you can also feed the calf with milk instead. It only costs around 1 ringgit for a tie of grass and 1 ringgit and 50 cents for a bottle of milk. During the feeding time, one of the calf peed on its friend, which put me in a situation of not knowing whether to laugh or feel pity towards the calf that's being peed. Then, you can see the milk processing machine. Of course, you don't know what's going on in it. That's why they provide a poster explaining the milk processing process. When I came here back then, visitors can visit the cow's barn, but it is currently unavailable because the cow's barn is under renovation. However, no worries, you can still see the cows. They will be wandering around inside the fence. All in all, going here is a really fun experience. There's literally not a tiny hint of regret upon coming here, even when I already came here before. Therefore, what else are you waiting for? Go make a ticket purchase and make a visit to Desa Dairy Farm as soon as possible. Goodbye!